totally forgot to film Monday. Filmed Monday morning for this first week of fall. So we'll do some more filming here today, tomorrow. Let's see what today is. Today's Wednesday, so we're working today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So fall gets to be pretty busy, but I think it's hard mentally because you're kind of ready for that break. So, but the nice thing is the fall season is pretty quick. It's about a month and a half, I would guess, right around there. So a lot of our homes that we do in the spring usually have us do either outside only or inside and out again in the fall. So we do a lot of homes during this time of year. And then commercial wise, it's a good amount of buildings that we do in the spring happen in the fall again. Then we have all of our regular stuff as well. So it becomes quite a bit. And we're doing some changes as far as employees. We'll get to that in a future video. So go out to Brighton today, finish up a pretty large commercial project that we do every 3 months. And then do some more work in Boulder on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, tired, exhausted, really ready for a break. I'll tell you that. I'm a little bit burnt out as far as windows. Say hi to Alex. Alex! Alex! Alex just keeps running from me. Alex! Alex! So this is the Dr. Engel now. So I actually didn't realize when I did the Dr. Engel review that it not only broke on that side, but also broke on that side. So I tried to JB weld this and make it all better, and then used it only at like 12 feet the other day, and it just broke more. I tried to fix it, guys, and it still didn't work. I do believe you would need a pole that's longer as far as going into that hole to make it work. So, and I think this can be shorter, like this long, because it gets super long when you add it to this, right? It's almost long. Look at that compared to a ledger. That's as long as a 16-inch double ledger, or longer. Once you put this out, look at that. It's the same. So try to fan with that, and this thing's wonky. It's hard. It's really, really hard. So just make that shorter and make it stronger. Okay, so I want to show you guys something here. Got my pole run over here. This would be a 40-foot high job. You guys have seen this count before, but I want to show you, you do not need a pump for the X2. So I got the X2 down there, and it's going through 150 feet of hose, and then coming all the way over here. And I'll extend this out for you so you can see you do not need a pump for some of these RO systems like many people think. That's going through all that, and look how far that's getting. 40 feet, water just pumping out of that thing. So it's Friday. Real quickly, who would like this? I tried it for a few days and I just don't like it very much. So if you, first person, try to comment about wanting the Mowerman pouch, let me know and I'll send it to you. It's nothing that it's bad. I just like something with a little bit more holsters and loops on it to hold stuff, and a little bit more pockets, because I found carpenter pouches work the best. So if you want that, hit me up in the comments for it. Whoever first says they want it gets it. 10:30 Friday morning. One job down. Some pallet store windows. Not too bad. Now we're gonna go clean like a community center. Pretty big. Do water fed pole today. Quite a bit of the inside's done today. I think come back tomorrow and do the preschool, I believe. That's when we can get it all finished today, which should be awesome. It's always nice to have Saturdays off. Saturday morning. It's cold. Cold morning. That's pretty cool. You know what's funny is I did a Razor Red Rubber review a while ago, and I said I think it will get better when it gets cooler out. I used it this week and it was fine. I think in cooler temperatures it does better. Maybe it's a soft rubber, but I have a couple extra strips if you guys want some. I'll send a 36-inch strip to you. First few people that mention it, I'll send you a strip of facelift Razor Red Rubber. That way you can give it a try before you buy it. Also, windowcleaner.com has a what is it? It's like a rubber sample kit, so I would check that out too.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Here he comes. He's coming for us. He thinks he's a cool kid.
There you go.
Loser. Loser.
There you go, Badness Everdeen.